this interesting place. It's like a sanctuary, like a bird sanctuary or something. There's a lot of cool stuff here. It's like a fossil pit, an Indian chickie hut. Just some logs for a fire. There's the actual fire. Gotta be quiet. Gotta be real quiet. What's this? What is this? Much. What is this? Oh, that makes more sense. Ooh. Oh. Hashtag America. Very cool. Got that. He's like looking at the camera.
We've not been here before.
I have been here before.
I said we.
Florida is home to 5 species of owls: barring eastern screech, great horned, burrowing, and bark. Wait, what? Oh, I read that wrong. Each species calls a different habitat home. Hawks. The diet of hawks varies depending on location and season. They prefer mammals such as voles, rats, rabbits, and ground squirrels. They do most of their hunting by walking from a high perch and swooping down to capture their prey in their talons. What? Sarge. Born in 2011, it's female. American bald eagle was found in the woods of Kentucky in 2014 by a group of hikers. Sarge was starving and malnourished, and veterinarians determined that she suffers from a permanent genetic feather disorder in which her feathers grow in cracked and brittle. Because of this, she cannot fly. The Fish and Wildlife Department has deemed Sarge non-releasable. Nice poop. Oh, poor eagle. I don't think I've ever been this close to an eagle before.
She was born in 2011.
No. Oh, Morning Star. Yeah, read that.
Which would make her like 7. Make her like
Look at all the poop you made. Look at all that.
7, and she's been here 4 years if you count 2018.
What do you guys feed her?
She gets chicken, fish, rats, chicks. No, but all fed from frozen. Nothing alive.
Okay.
But she's actually the only one in the park that gets fish. It's an important part of their diet.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, no, that's good. She is 7.
7.
Yeah, if you count 2018. Yeah, she was born like January 26th. Or
27th.
January 1st through 27th. And yes, she is.
Yeah, she might still be 6.
I wonder how they know if, how they know when she was born.
Yeah.
Okay, well, where are the other birdies? Over here. Another bird in here. An owl? Yes. Owl. Hello, owls. Say cheese. Oh, he looked. Here, owl. Here, no. He doesn't want to look at the camera. Do you like turtles? I like turtles.
What is that? Scott.
I don't know. Cool.
Are they going in there? Oh, that is it.
Very interesting. Let's see what other animals we can find. Turtle Resort. Some turtle eggs over there. Wow, this is the. I saw a turtle on Friday. I saw multiple turtles on Friday. And I saw multiple turtles today. There's one right there. I don't want to get too close. Oh, there's another one over here.
No, this is a really cool park to come to with the Girl Scouts, isn't it?
Oh,
This would be really nice to come to with Girl Scouts. Or Boy Scouts, either one. Okay, there's like a boardwalk. We're probably gonna walk that. Get some nice pics on the boardwalk. So there's
When I
the
was younger in England, so many kids had tortoises for pets. Yeah.
red-footed tortoises, Central and South America,
Keep them outside.
African leopard tortoise. Oh, dude. I can't. Alright, there we go. Turtles aren't actually that slow. Turtles can be pretty fast.
turtles can climb.
Yeah. One time there was the turtle who like climbed the fence.
And then he fell.
Okay. Oh, yeah, fire hazard, but that's only if you smoke. But I obviously do. There's skating, dogs, bicycles.
Turtle just went under right there. There's one over there that just went under a swing.
If this was a bit cleaner, I'd want to swim in this, but oh,
This big one coming towards us. Look at him. See how big that one is? That's either a soft-shelled turtle or it's a snapper.
Can you be a snapper? Oh, it looks like a baby.
It's like a baby
rhino.
alligator.
Looks like a baby rhino.
Right, its face hanging out.
Snapping
out of the
turtle.
water.
Look how big he is.
Yeah. He thinks we're going to feed him.
That's what he thinks.
looks like
Give you a finger.
looks like a mini
Look how
duck.
big he is.
Do mean little things.
Where's mean?
Yeah, they'll take your finger off for sure.
Yeah, Olivia, don't joke about feeding him a finger.
I didn't realise they had snouts like that.
Soft-shelled.
Very interesting. It's like a pig.
Right?
Can you lift your head up from the water, Mr. Turtle?
Even the ducks are coming over.
Yeah, turtle.
Look at all the stinking turtles out
Oh my
there.
God, yeah. That's a lot of
There's
them.
another one, another soft-shelled
Yeah.
one.
There's another one there, one
It's a cool turtle. And there's. Oh, I think that's the snapping turtle.
there.
Trying to get a picture of all of these. That looks like a frog. Looks like a frog. Here we go. So let's start with the alligator snapping turtle. I'm not even gonna try to read that. The alligator snapping turtle is the largest freshwater turtle in North America. They are found mainly in the southeast region of America. Their habitat is mainly rivers, lakes, and canals. The largest alligator snapping turtle found was 220.
Look at this one, isn't it? Yes, babe.
The largest alligator snapping turtle found was 220 pounds. That's more than I weigh by over 100 pounds.
Yeah.
These turtles are native species to Florida. That's probably why they're called alligator. Oh, never mind. I thought they were called the Florida alligator, but never mind. Florida cooter, also not gonna try to pronounce. Okay, and The Florida cooter looks similar to the peninsula cooter and river cooter. They prefer bodies of water with a soft sandy bottom. The females are more vegetarian, whereas the males eat more meat. These turtles are native species to Florida. Extremely interesting. Wow.
Quite a lot.
Very, very interesting. And, it's cool. That's just too many words.
Living.
But let's see what else we can do. The turtle meet over there. The turtles get together, talk about laws and government and stuff. Very interesting. I wonder how you get down there. Sit in those chairs. Okay. Well, that was another interesting thing we've come across. And my battery's gonna die soon, so let's hope that doesn't happen. Two things. It's 11:11, so make a wish. And there's two. We found a playground. So, can I go on the swings? Okay. Okay, let's see if I can do this with the phone in my hand. This is proving to be difficult, but I'm doing it somewhat. Like, extremely difficult. There's some interesting things at this playground. We got a zip line. Someone needs to record me going on that. And that thing. So let's get to it. To be honest, guys, right now I'm on 3 battery, which means we're gonna have to stop this video, and I guess see all you guys and gals later. Peace.